In this video we are going to learn one of the easiest and also one of the best way of removing background in Photoshop. This method is the key for beginners. Make sure that you subscribe the channel and like the video. Let's start. So, unlock the layer and make sure that your layer is selected. In first step, we need to choose lasso tool and try to draw carefully near of the subject. Do it patiently. When you select it all, click on Select and Mask. As you can see, the area that you chose is selected now. Make sure that you chose Cloud Style to getting more detailed and best result. Click on Select Subject and press OK. As you can see, our subject is selected very well, even the hairs. But if you want to make it better, you can refine it with clicking on Refine button at top. Press OK. Congratulations, background removed and your subject is selected now, with the most accuracy and detail. As you can see, hairs are selected very well, and if you mask your layer now with clicking on the mask button, you can clearly see that this method works perfectly. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you subscribe the channel and like the video, because your supports gives me a lots of energy to make more cool videos. Thanks for watching.